Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm gonna share my one of the most wanted recipes at iftar parties, chicken puff patties. So let's start with filling. Take 500 grams of chicken, add some water and salt and close the lid. Let it cook at medium heat until all water dries up. In this way you will get more juicy and flavorful boiled chicken. Till it's cooking, take another pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, put chopped onion and saute. Here I also like to add white part of spring onion, greens I'm gonna add later. Saute 1 to 2 minutes, then add boiled chicken. See, all water has dried up. Perfect. Now shred with the help of fork and stir for another 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that no water remains. Take off the heat. Now let's add some greens. Green part of spring onion, some coriander, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon black pepper and half tablespoon crushed red chili. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to make it little bit tangy and creamy, and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. This will not only add flavor but it will bind all mixture together. Mix everything up. It should look like so, not too creamy and not too dry. Now let's move to shaping. For first shape I am using mini puff pastry squares. If these are not available at your side, then use regular puff pastry and cut 2 inches squares. As you can see, these are still frozen. I do not thaw these, I shape them when they are still frozen. Why? Because one, they are easier to work when they are still frozen. They will not stick to your hands. And second, they will retain their shape too. While I am arranging and filling, they'll become little soft and pliable in just 3 to 5 minutes, and that's what I want. Make an egg wash with 1 yolk and a little amount of water. I'm gonna use this for sealing as well as for brushing tops. Use a small brush for sealing because egg wash should not cover the sides, otherwise layer will stick together and won't puff up nicely. Now hold in your hand and press all sides. I'm not crimping sides with fork because I like to see puff layers from sides also. Make all patties like so and set aside. Let's move to the shape number 2. This is also frozen. Here I am taking big 4 inches square sheets because I like to cut them in half diagonally like so. Since they are frozen, that's why I'm getting these neat cuts. Apply egg wash all over the sides. Add filling at one end like this. Now take one end and turn like so. Now hold in your hand and press all sides like this. That's your triangle. Now place all these in a plastic lined tray. Cover with another sheet of plastic and pop them in the freezer till we shape the other ones. For this shape I am using fluted side of round cookie cutter to get a bakery style patty shape. Make all this like so. Don't waste these sheets, you can ziplock and freeze them, and next time you can make another shape with them. Take one plain sheet, put this on the top, add filling of your choice here, and you can make another shape like so. Let's get back to our round patties. Just like earlier, put egg wash, add filling, put another disc and press lightly with the help of your fingers. Not too hard, otherwise all side layers will be squished. Once all patties are done, place them in a tray and freeze 5 to 10 minutes before baking. Our earlier batch is nicely frozen, so arrange them on a baking tray lined with butter paper. All laminated doughs, puff or Danish pastries rise nicely in oven when they are properly chilled before. Therefore, the problem of soggy bottom is eliminated when you do this step. Apply egg wash. If you are planning ahead, that's also good. Just shape and freeze and bake when you want to serve. Now I'm gonna score a pattern on the top. It's purely optional. If you don't want them, then just bake straight away without scoring. Next one is for those who want to add wow factor to the table. With sharp pointy end of knife, make these cuts. not all the way through, just halfway. This can only be possible if your patty is nicely frozen. Otherwise, dough will stick to the knife and you won't have neat cuts. As I told you, these decorative markings are purely optional. If you are in a hurry, you can do like this. Just take them out from freezer, egg wash and put some sesame seed or caraway seeds and bake. Now bake these in preheated oven at 200 degrees for first 15 minutes to puff all the layers up. Once they are risen, then turn the temperature to 170 degrees for another 10 minutes to make them golden and crispy. While they are still hot, loosen them up. Check out all these layers, nicely risen, and bottom side is also perfectly done. These two. Arrange them in a serving dish and impress your guests. A gorgeous platter of deliciousness. Now let's check from inside as well. Wonderful crunch. Look at these layers. All nicely risen and there is no sign of soggy bottom or dough. So guys, I have shared all my tips from thawing, filling to baking, everything. So bake and enjoy with your friends and family and remember me in your prayers. I'm gonna see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.